I bet you can't draw your characters from 5 different angles without changing something. That's why today we are going to be making a turnaround sheet.
I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting a lot. It's just because of school and many other things happening in my daily life. Okay, before I start this character turnaround, I'm gonna be guessing that you already know how to draw basic anatomy. If you do, then it's just pretty simple. Create a project and draw a ground and draw the top of the head line, and we can be able to draw the line of the body. Then we'll put the head, the body, and everything should just be in sketch. Just watch this. Right now, as you can see, I'm already drawing the body, and I kind of made a mistake because the body is not that long of the real character, and also you have to be having a reference of the character you are drawing, at least his body, like at least his face or something, so that you can really know who or what you're drawing. Well, this is my reference for him because this is actually one of my characters, and I just decided to do a small animation of him right back. This is him right now. One important thing about this animation is that I am breaking everything into keyframes. First things first, I did the front view as a one keyframe. I did the side view as the second keyframe. Make sure the head rotation is very accurate in your animation. Now, an important keynote here is that every view should be a keyframe. The front view, the side view of left, the back view, and the side view of right. Then go back to the front view. Everything should be a 4 keyframe that the rest is going to be an in-between in. Now in this character rotation, once you're able to do the keyframes of all the animation, then you can be able to start doing the other views that will be able to make it more smooth, and you can be able to get these results. And mind you, this animation tutorial was really hard to make, so please mind leaving me a like and a subscribe and comment what you think. Thank you very much. Now, I'm sure after all the whole sketch, you don't want to fumble the bag. So first and first, I would advise you to get a character design sheet or a model sheet that you will be drawing your character from, and so that you can be able to know audio placement of audio variables on the character, so that it will be much easier for you to draw him repeatedly from every angles and from every direction. Now in this animation tutorial, I'm sure you guys have also been wondering, what about if I have complex styles and characters? All you just have to do is simplify those styles in a simple shape for you to be able to do the line art. While my own drawing does not really have complex styles, that's because that's my own animation style. I do see a lot of times that many people complain that the styles are just too complex for a character turnaround, and I understand, but you still have to do it so that you can be able to make good animation. So just put in the work. So I am almost done with the entire animation. Just need to constrict some few things and make sure that every design follows the correct anatomy of this animation. And once I'm done with the last few touches, well, those are a lot of touches, but I'm glad I'm almost done. I just need to complete this and voila. So now I'm gonna do the coloring of this animation, and yeah, let me just give you a brief of something. I already made a how to color animation on Flipper Clip in another video. I'll be dropping it at the end of this video. So if you guys need that, go check it out. If you guys don't, yeah. But this is the end of the animation, and let me just show you the final result. I'm sure you can just wait for a few seconds. Sorry I didn't show you how to make this glow stuff in Flipper Clip,